Hi, I'm Autumn from Dillon's RV Center, and today I'm going to show you all around a 2018 Status 45MG. This is a 45-foot diesel Super C motorhome. It is built on a Volvo chassis with a Volvo 600 horsepower engine. You'll notice that it has 3 slide outs, and as we get around to the back, you'll notice that it has a 3,000 pound liftgate that is automatic and lowers. It is also large enough to fit a smart car, motorcycles, or anything else that you could be hauling around. You'll notice it has a back door for easy entrance and exit, a Onan 12.5 kilowatt generator, a full body paint job in a sepia color palette, an outdoor entertainment system complete with a 32-inch LED TV. Around back there's a 20,000 pound hitch for towing, 2 AC units. It holds 135 gallons of fresh water. They're alloy wheels with aluminum entry sill plates, so they are durable and will last for the lifetime of the coach. It's complete with automatic leveling jacks, as well as backup and side view cameras, so you're safe as you're switching lanes or parking. There's a power awning where you can see the LED lights so they won't attract bugs. Tinted seamless windows that you can notice all around the coach. Large underneath basement with plenty of storage. And the cool part is the key fob will unlock and lock these storage compartments. In the basement, we have also added a slide out cooler tray to make the outdoor entertainment in this unit even better. Also, on the underbelly of this unit, there are enclosed heated water tanks so that you can camp even in colder temperatures. And now, if you come with me, I'll show you the inside where the luxury does not stop. Now I'm not only on the inside of this unit, but I'm also behind the wheel. The driver and co-pilot seats are both heated for maximum comfort and luxury as you're driving down the road. The windshield is one piece, so you get a panoramic view as you drive. It also features a high-tech navigation system with built-in AM/FM radio. As you can see, the cab features frosted glass doors that slide for privacy. There's a bunk over the cab as well, and there's an easy ladder, so it's very accessible to get to. Here's a better look at the frosted doors as well as the top bunk. The living room features a smart LED TV on a swivel arm to be viewed from anywhere in the living room of this unit. There is solid hardwood cabinetry with raised panel doors and hidden hinges. If you look over here at the sink, it's a very deep sink, so you can wash all of your dishes easily in one spot. Look at that beautiful tile mosaic backsplash. The residential stainless steel refrigerator and convection microwave make it very easy to cook in this unit. There is a 2-burner induction cooktop as well that easily can be covered. If you look at the beautiful ultra leather Trifold sofa, it folds out to have an air mattress. There's tons of cabinets above for storage and built right in next door. If you notice the floor, it's porcelain tile, and throughout the unit it is all heated. There is a porcelain straight flush toilet, a 12-volt on-demand water pumps made for easy winterization, a mirrored medicine cabinet, underneath storage in the sink, and a beautiful stone shower with a rain shower head, a built-in skylight above, and even a built-in seat for maximum comfort. This unit has TrueMet water system, so you have instant, constant, endless water throughout. Again, the heated tile floors are even in the bathroom and the bedroom. There's a king-size Coley spring mattress complete with bedspread, sham, and decorative pillows. Again, tons of more overhead storage, and it even has a lot of storage for your clothes as well as a built-in TV. If you look, they are cedar-lined cabinets that are all lighted, and there are even residential-sized dresser and storage chests built right in. How convenient is that? Now, if you look through the smoked glass vapor door, you will notice the garage of this unit. The garage has black pine flooring, aluminum finished walls, TV prep built right into the wall, as well as a washer and dryer prep if you would like to add one to this unit. You notice the garage door rolls up, and there's even an emergency back door for an easy exit entrance. There are multiple tie downs in the garage as well that are adjustable to keep your toys safe as you drive. If you notice, there's vents built in to keep the air flowing in this unit at all times, and even multiplex light switches in the garage of this unit. There's also a ladder built right into the wall with a skylight above for access of the roof so race fans can get a bird's eye view of the track, or if you just want to watch the stars, you have access from the roof. To find out more about this unit or to test drive it for yourself, come to Dillon's RV Center, located at 2190 Delsey Drive in Sewell, New Jersey, to find out why we're the #1 RV dealer in New Jersey. Have a great day!